My name is John Shafer, and I would like to take this time to personally invite you to my Fdic class in 2016. My class is a 4-hour workshop about today's modern structures and how they're airtight and energy efficient. This class is not going to be your traditional building construction class, and anyone who has been reading any of my writings the last 5 or 6 years at Green Maltese or fire engineering or any of the other places will understand that I am very passionate about firefighters being educated in our modern environment with the structures and the contents that we have today. So yes, most firefighters are aware of the plastics. That's almost every firefighter will say the environment has changed from that aspect. We'll look at some of that from the content perspective, but most of the time we're going to spend our 4 hours in this class looking at the building construction changes that involves uses of plastic. For instance, one type would be a insulated concrete form. I don't know if you're familiar with this, but this is a plastic Lego type structure that is actually styrofoam. It burns very, very well. They pour concrete in the center of it, and there's a lot more that we'll go into in class about that. But it's not real new, but it's definitely catching on with due to the fact of energy efficiency. Another area that we will look at will be sheathing. We're all very familiar with sheathing as OSB. Well, now they're actually sheathing houses completely out of styrofoam board stuff, so it burns very well as well. And then the real area that I feel is the biggest area that's snuck up on the fire service that most are not aware of, and that is the insulation. The reason they're using many different types of insulations in the green and modern construction is due to the fact that whether it's wood, concrete, whatever the types of materials are, you can only get a certain R value. But when you start taking away the structural elements or reducing, especially through advanced framing, and filling more of that space with different types of insulation, such as the styrofoam board that we saw as well, the rigid foam. But another one that's really crap up that we'll deal some time with is spray polyurethane foam. I had the privilege and honor to be on the attic fire panel up at Underwriters Laboratory and was able to see firsthand how some of this spray foam worked. There's a lot of people that talk about things that might have been on 1 or 2 incidents, but I had the privilege to actually see how it performed and to be able to test it scientifically from that aspect. So looking forward to seeing you in my class in 2016 in April. Mark your calendars. See you there.